Your car might be running just fine, or so you think, but inside that engine, something's quietly stealing your power, your fuel economy, and eventually, your money. Over 90% of engine misfires I've diagnosed over the years came down to one thing: dirty or clogged fuel injectors. These little nozzles are supposed to spray fuel into your engine in a perfect mist. But over time, that mist turns into a dribble, and suddenly, your smooth ride starts to shake, stall, and dash diesel engine. And drink fuel like there's a hole in the tank. And here's the scary part: clogged injectors can waste up to 30% more fuel before you even hit 50,000 miles. Today, we're fixing that. I'm going to show you 7 proven ways to clean fuel injectors without removing them, from cheap DIY tricks to professional-grade methods that can make your injectors last 100,000 miles longer. Let's start with the most common one that almost everyone does wrong. Method number 7, fuel system cleaner, the right way. You've probably seen those little bottles at the gas station. Fuel injector cleaner, $5.99. Most people grab one, dump it into a full tank, and drive off expecting a miracle. Sorry, but that's not how it works. The truth is, not all cleaners are created equal. The ones that actually work contain something called polyetheramine, or PEA for short. It's the real deal, the ingredient that dissolves carbon and varnish inside your injectors. Brands like Chevron Techron, Gumout Regain, and Redline SI1 use this formula, and they're trusted by professional mechanics everywhere. But here's where the trick comes in. If the bottle says it treats up to 12 gallons, don't pour it into a full 18-gallon tank. You'll dilute it so much that it won't clean a thing. Instead, wait until your tank is down to about a quarter full, pour the cleaner in, then fill up with fresh fuel. That gives you a powerful, concentrated cleaning cycle. I tell my customers to use it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, basically every oil change. It's not a one-time magic fix, it's maintenance. Do it consistently and your injectors stay sharp. Oh, and use a funnel. I've seen more people stain their paint by spilling cleaner on it than I can count. This is the easiest way to keep injectors healthy. But what if your injectors aren't just dirty, they're sticky? That's a whole different story. Method number 6, detergent-based additives for sticky injectors. See, not all injector problems are carbon-related. Sometimes your injectors get sticky, coated in a glue-like varnish from old fuel that's broken down. You've probably seen this happen on cars that sit for months, Grandma's Buick, or that project truck that hasn't left the driveway since last summer. When fuel ages, it turns into a gummy mess, coating the injector tips so they barely open. That's where detergent-based additives come in. Think of these like dish soap for your fuel system. They're designed to dissolve sticky varnish and oily residue, the kind regular cleaners can't touch. The key here is patience. These detergents don't work overnight. You need to run them through 2 or 3 tanks back to back to fully clean the system. Some mechanics even mix a detergent additive with a PEA cleaner for stubborn cases. The PEA breaks down carbon while the detergent scrubs away varnish. Just be careful not to go overboard. Too many chemicals can damage seals or sensors. Stick with trusted brands and follow the directions exactly. Once those injectors start to flow properly again, you'll feel it. Smoother idle, stronger throttle, and better mileage. But sometimes, the problem isn't with the injectors themselves. It's with the fuel you're putting in. Method number 5, ethanol treatment, the hidden fuel enemy. Ethanol is both your friend and your enemy. Most modern fuel contains up to 10% ethanol. It helps reduce emissions and keeps injectors relatively clean, but there's a dark side. Ethanol absorbs moisture from the air, and when that moisture builds up in your tank, it separates from the gasoline, causing corrosion and rough running. That's why ethanol treatment additives exist. They stabilize your fuel, fight off water buildup, and protect injectors from gumming up during long periods of storage. If you drive a daily commuter, use it every few tanks, especially if you buy fuel from off-brand stations. If you're storing a car for winter, Add it before parking and let the engine run a few minutes so the treated fuel reaches the injectors. This trick isn't just for cars. It works wonders for motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment too. Without it, ethanol can eat away at metal components and leave injectors completely blocked. With it, your car fires up months later like it ran yesterday. But chemicals can only go so far. Sometimes, your engine needs something far simpler and much more fun. Method number 4, the Italian tune-up. Free but powerful. Here's a secret most people don't realize. The best injector cleaner might just be your gas pedal. It's called the Italian tune-up, and it's been a mechanic's trick for decades. Here's the deal. Most modern cars live what I call a soft life. Short grocery runs, stop-and-go traffic, endless idling. The engine never gets hot enough to burn off carbon. Over time, that buildup clogs your injectors, your valves, and even your catalytic converter. The fix? Take your car on a long highway drive, at least 20 to 30 minutes. Drop it into a lower gear and let the RPMs climb higher than usual. Not redlining it, but keeping it steady and strong. At those higher temperatures, the carbon literally burns away. I've seen engines that stumbled and misfired smooth out completely after one solid drive. Of course, only do this when your oil and cooling systems are in good condition. Don't stress a weak engine. This method costs nothing, just a bit of gas and a stretch of open road, and it's one of the oldest, simplest ways to clean injectors naturally. But if you want faster results, the kind you can feel instantly, it's time to get your hands dirty. Method number 3, throttle body and intake cleaning. DIY hands-on. Now we move from the gas tank to under the hood. A throttle body and air intake cleaner spray can make a world of difference. Not just for injectors, but for your entire air-fuel system. Here's how you do it. Find your throttle body. Follow the intake hose from your air filter box until it meets the engine. Loosen the clamp and pull the hose back so you can see the throttle plate. Start the engine, and have someone keep the RPMs around 1,500 to 2,000. Spray short bursts of cleaner into the opening. Don't flood it, little sprays while the engine's running. Let the engine recover between sprays, then reassemble everything once you're done. This dissolves the carbon and grime coating the intake and valves, all of which affects injector spray patterns. You'll notice smoother idle, stronger throttle response, and even cleaner exhaust. But remember, this cleaner is flammable. Do it in a ventilated area, keep a rag handy, and don't smoke while spraying. This is a hands-on, satisfying method for anyone who loves DIY. But if you want professional-grade results without risking anything, the next method is your golden ticket. Method number 2, professional carbon cleaning machine, the ultimate solution. When you want dealership-level performance without replacing injectors, carbon cleaning machines are the way to go. This is what high-end auto shops and dealerships use, a specialized system that connects directly to your fuel rail. It replaces gasoline with a powerful cleaning solution while the engine runs. That solution flows through your injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, dissolving carbon, varnish, and sticky buildup that no bottled additive could ever touch. The results are dramatic. Smoother idle, sharper throttle, better acceleration, improved fuel economy, and most importantly, longer injector life. These services usually cost between $100 and $200, but when you consider injector replacement can run $600 to $1,000 or more, it's a smart investment. In my shop, I've seen cars come in rough, sputtering, and sluggish, then leave purring like they just rolled off the showroom floor. This is the closest you'll get to brand new injectors without pulling them out. But before we wrap up, let me share one bonus secret that most drivers ignore, and it's what keeps injectors clean in the first place. Bonus tip: the secret to 100,000-mile injectors. You don't need expensive cleaners every week. What you need is consistent quality fuel. Always buy from top-tier gas stations, brands like Chevron, Shell, Costco, or Mobil. Their fuel contains higher levels of detergents, proven to keep injectors 19 times cleaner than bargain fuel. And here's the best part: you don't have to buy premium. Regular top-tier gas already has the cleaning package. If you ever have to fill up with off-brand or unknown gas, follow it up with a PEA cleaner on your next tank. It'll balance out whatever residue that cheap fuel left behind. That simple habit alone can make your injectors last over 100,000 miles. So there you have it. 7 ways to clean fuel injectors without ever removing them. Some are cheap and simple. Others are powerful and professional. But together, they can save you thousands in repairs and keep your car running smoother, longer, and stronger. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want your car to outlast your payments. Now, if you want to know the warning signs that your injectors are already failing, check out the next video right here, because catching those early can save your engine before it's too late. Thanks for watching. And remember, clean injectors, happy engine.